Hello everyone, I'm your student nurse, Yvette Alcantara, and for today I'm going to demonstrate to you the oral nasopharyngeal suctioning for the infant. And for the first assessment, I'm going to note the physician's order. Next, assess for the rate and the depth of the respiration of the infant, the respiration, the breath sounds, the chest movements, and then check for the pulse rate, the skin color, and then the nose and mouth secretions. Next, I'm going to do the hand washing. Do the hand washing and then gather all the supplies that is needed. So, I already done to gather all the supplies that is needed. And then next, open a sterile suction package. So I'm going to open it using a sterile technique. So I'm going to set up a cup or container and pour a sterile water or the saline for lubrications. Next, I'm going to attach a connector tubing to suction equipment. And then I'm going to turn on the mechanism and test. Test po natin siya over using the thumb. Using my thumb to suction equipment. And after that, put on na po tayo ng gloves. And after po natin mag-put on yung gloves po natin, place na po natin yung baby on a bassinet under the droplight. So, let's assume po that meron po tayong bassinet and meron po tayong droplight because it isn't as available po sa ating place po ngayon. And then, next po, I'm going to place the infant po into the Trendelenburg position. So, let's assume din po ulit na nakaganto po yung ating infant. And then, ipa-place din po natin yung kanyang head into place into his side. So make sure po that the foot is higher than the body. So para po ma-sure po na it is in a Trendelenburg position. So after that, I'm going to pick up a catheter using my dominant hand. And then using my non-dominant hand, I'm going to attach the connector end to suction the tubing. So after that, if test na po natin yung catheter, I'm going to insert na po yung catheter into the mouth po ni patient, ni infants. Mouth po ni infants. And then, apply a suction with covering suction port with no more than 10 seconds. And then, i-withdraw po natin yung catheter in a circular motion. And i-flush po natin siya. I-flush po natin din siya using sterile water to remove the secretions. Nirepeat lang po natin siya until the mouth is clear. And then after that, insert na po natin yung catheter into the nose of the infant, 1 nostrils at a time. And then apply a suction using a suction port. And then apply a suction by covering a suction port with no more than 10 seconds. And then, withdraw po natin yung catheter again in circular motion. And then, flush po natin siya with sterile water to remove the secretions. And then, repeat lang po natin yung pag-i-insert and pag-withdraw and then pag-flush until the nostrils are clear. And then after po natin malinis po yung mga secretions sa mouth and nose po ni baby, turn off na po natin yung mechanism. And then check po tayo, listen natin po yung breath sounds po ni baby. And then after that, remove na po natin po yung sterile gloves po natin. And then discard na po natin siya sa maayos pong trash bag. And then place na po natin yung baby to side. And then do the hand washing. And now I'm going to proceed to evaluation. For the evaluation, evaluate the breath sound of the baby. Evaluate din po natin if the mouth and nose are clear. And then for the documentation, document any pertinent data, observation during the procedure that is according into the hospital policy. And that's all po for today's demonstration. Thank you so much po for listening.